Just in, new inventory, 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, Braunability XT, power fold out, side entry, wheelchair, handicap conversion. This is a Touring L Chrysler Pacifica, fully loaded, beautiful, beautiful red velvet metallic, 32,000 miles. It's a 2023. You can save a ton in depreciation by buying this van. We have it priced right. Gorgeous condition inside and out. It is a clean Carfax, clean title, no accidents, all original, very, very, very nice condition. Needs absolutely nothing. Is a Braunability XT, power side entry, fold out, handicap wheelchair conversion. Gorgeous inside and out. 2 key fobs. Is a power folding in ramp. Does have a Q-lock 150 on the passenger side. Black leather inside. As you can see, the condition is immaculate. This does have the big screen. 33,000 miles. Just turned. It is under full factory warranty. You do have the full warranty with Braunability. This thing is immaculate. Big screen, all your apps, Uconnect. It does have the safety sphere with all the cameras when you are parking. Full backup camera. This is your footrest here in the rear. Beautiful leather all the way around, of course. The flooring is in nice shape. It's a beautiful, beautiful van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we're happy to help at any time. We are 47 years in business. We are a certified Braunability dealer and service center. This is a gorgeous color on this truck. Excuse me, this van. You do have your power outlets in the rear here behind the seats. 8-way power seats. Fully loaded out, like I said, 33,000 miles just turned. All highway miles. The previous owner used this van to go to their doctor's appointments. That was pretty much it. Has all your original stuff from Braunability, of course. Extra cup holders for the passenger seat. All your tie downs and securements. Your original air pump. All the original manuals are also with the van. 2 keys. Power lift gate, of course. Sorry, hit that button twice. Go. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We're in Boca Raton, Florida, 47 years in business, only 5-star reviews. We have financing with over 30 banks and credit unions. Feel free to call us anytime. More than happy to help. We accept any type of trade-in. We can ship to anywhere in the world. We have the best vans in the world. We recondition them. If they need anything, we take care of them. This one is gorgeous. We sell new and used vans. We service them. We are a certified Braunability dealer and service center. We can do any electronic controls you need, hand controls, any locking, docking systems. We do all of that in-house. If you need it, just let us know. We can install any type of system that you need. Hand controls, transfer seats, anything like that, we do it. Not a problem at all. Got your owner's manuals here. Super nice, clean van. This is the biggest conversion that you can get, the tallest one, and the most room in the rear. It is a Touring L. We do have the original stickers, window stickers. If you need to know all of the options, we can send them to you. Beautiful, beautiful van. Don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jet for Ken. We'll price this van to sell. Again, we can ship anywhere in the world. Laser straight down the sides, no accidents, non-smoker, no rust. Beautiful, beautiful van. I'll say the tires are about 50% on the tread. Plenty of life left. No problem there. Van runs and drives beautifully down the road. Does have the kneel down system as well. Everything is working and functioning exactly the way it's supposed to, as you can see. Don't hesitate to give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Got a clean Carfax here, of course, clean title, no stories, no issues. Beautiful 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Give us a like, give us a follow. Thank you.